Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel IT360. I am Irshad. Today I am gonna guide you how to add custom backgrounds while doing the Teams call. Specifically, this feature will help lot who is doing the office jobs at home. Adding the background image will help you to showcase your appearance in a good manner with your co-callers. Here, to add your background image, just click on the three dot icon and here you can find the option that is show background effects. Here Microsoft has already added a few background images. If you want, you can choose anyone from these backgrounds, or else if you want to use any customized background, then you can add it also from here by clicking the option add new. Now I'm going to place my background image. Here you can see this is my favorite background which gives a perfect office look, and I'm using always this. Once you selected the background, you can set to preview, and once you select this option, your camera gets turn off until you finalize by clicking the option apply and turn on video. And if you want to stop this preview, you can stop this. Here just I'm going to show you the preview of few backgrounds by adding one by one. So now you can see the difference between each background image. Now I'm going to select my background image. So I'm going to apply this one, and you can see my camera gets turned on and my background image has been changed successfully. And if you want to blur your background, you can select that option as well. It will completely blur your background. Here you can see my background image has been blurred successfully. And similarly, if you want to remove your background, yes, you can remove it at any time by simply clicking the option here, that is a removal option. Now you can see my background image has been removed here. Finally, here I have added the background image, how it will exactly looks like on my co-caller screen. Thanks for watching this, and don't forget to click the below subscribe button to receive more videos. We'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye.